It is a question often asked by members of the public. Can someone execute a citizen's arrest? According to law enforcement, a citizen's arrest is an arrest made by a private citizen, a person who is not acting as a sworn law enforcement official. In common law jurisdictions, the practice dates back to medieval England and the English common law, in which sheriffs encourage ordinary citizens to help apprehend lawbreakers. A video making its round on social media sparked questions. Although the circumstances surrounding what influence the actions of individuals who are not attached to law enforcement are not clear, the video appears to show a white vehicle speeding along the Wall Street area in Grenada in a reckless manner. A male figure who appeared to be the driver of the said vehicle exited through the window and attempted to flee the scene. He was subdued by citizens. The law provides for a citizen's arrest to be performed when there is a violation of the law through a criminal offense, such as stealing, housebreaking, robbery, rape, among others. Concerned citizens and/or the owner of properties have the right to subdue a person and can either call the police or take them into custody once it's safe to do so. In that case, they are advised to use reasonable force to get the person under control. People are advised to be cautious in the way they go about apprehending an individual who may be dangerous after committing an act. Assistant Superintendent of Police Simon Douglas, attached to the Community Relations Department, provided further insight.
The police is always appreciative of any assistance rendered by members of the public in preventing and solving crime, and also bringing offenders to justice. However, it is absolutely important that we all understand how far we are legally allowed to go in this regard. Section 8 of the Criminal Procedure Code, Chapter 72B of the Laws of Grenada, provides essentially that a civilian may arrest someone for a summary offense if that person commits an offense against the person and a police officer calls for his assistance to arrest that person, or an offense against property if he is the owner of that property or the servant, etc., of the owner. Section 9 of the said Act provides that any person, police or civilian, may arrest anyone who has actually committed an indictable offense. Specifically in relation to property, any person may arrest someone whom he finds in possession of property which he suspects upon reasonable grounds to have been obtained by means of an indictable offense, or in relation to which an indictable offense has been or is about to be committed. A civilian has no power of arrest in relation to a traffic offense. An arrest and a detention are basically the same legally. Any degree of restraint of a person from his or her liberty can amount to an arrest. We therefore advise the public to be very clear on the circumstances of a situation, the authority to arrest, and also to ascertain that it is safe to do so before attempting to carry out a citizen's arrest. In cases where you are not sure of these circumstances, we advise you to gather as much information as possible and contact the police as soon as you can.
Christina John, GBN News.